Hey, what's up everybody? Here's just a little clip of a ground mount system installed by Haleakala Solar. We're out on the west side of Maui, out in Lahaina, but I just wanted to show you real quick just an overall of how this ground mount system came out to be. Beautiful views as well. But here's a side profile. And here's the front. It's a lot of panels, but it's so dusty out here, all the dirt, and the high winds has been kind of blowing up some dust on the panels. But all we need to do is just give them a nice rinse with some fresh water and a scrubbing brush, and panels will be beautiful again. But anyway, if you're considering a ground mount system out here in Hawaii, feel free to contact our company at haleakalasolar.com, or I will put our contact information, office number down at the bottom of this video somewhere, or maybe even just on the screen itself when I put this together. But anyway, here's our ground mount system, beautifully completed, up and running. Meter is spinning backwards, producing free energy from the sun. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great day. Take care. Aloha.